Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me video, an everyday makeup routine, kind of updated. I'm still using a lot of the same products, but I have new people on here, so you guys might enjoy watching me do my everyday makeup routine, something that I kind of do to, maybe not with my hands like a bunch, I'm like playing with my hands. Something that I do to kind of overall fix my complexion and then just add a little bit of brightness to my eyes, but nothing crazy, and just brightness to my face in general. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into it. So I'm hoping my hair doesn't get too much in my face, but we're just gonna roll with the punches and just go with what happens. But anyways, I'm gonna start off with my primer. This is the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. This is the best primer ever for hydrating your skin, and it's so inexpensive. It's probably not a dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury, or I don't know if it's Charlotte Tilbury. I think it is the Magic Serum. It's probably not a dupe to that, but it's kind of like a similar product to where it's like a serum, and it's great for starting and using it as a base. I love this product. My sister and I had it on for my sister's wedding. My friend Gio used it on us, and it literally made my skin so soft the next day. I told her, I was like, what did you use on my skin? I need it because it's so great. And she recommended it to me, and it's like $6. It's so inexpensive and such good quality. So I really love this primer, and it just brings back good memories. Like even the smell of it, like as she was putting it on, I was like, that smells really good. So it's definitely a reminiscent product of her wedding. Then I use, getting a phone call from my mom. So then I go into my Fenty Beauty product that I absolutely love. It's probably one of my favorite products from Fenty, other than their Gloss Bomb glosses, because I love those glosses. This is the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Skin Tint, the blurring skin tint. I use the color 3, but I still think that I could go a little bit darker now, just because I'm about to get into like my tanning season, so I'll definitely go darker soon. But it still works with like my powders and stuff. When I put my powder on, you can't really tell how light it is, because I use a powder that has complexion coloring, I don't know, like has like color in it. So yeah, I use this brush. It's the 110 airbrush buffing foundation brush from It Cosmetics by Ulta. So you can get it at Ulta. It's honestly so great. I got it for the 12 Days of Beauty, I believe. I got it for the 12 Days of Beauty like last year, and I loved it. I thought it was like the best buffing brush for foundation, and I just think it's so like great. It doesn't leave streaks, and it just is really great. Anyways, I thought that I would update you guys a little bit on my life. I am about to graduate in 6 weeks. I think that's crazy because I remember when I just got into college and I started like vlogging, and like even when I started going to UH and I started vlogging, it's just so crazy that we're here and we're about to finish, and like my friends and I are just so excited, and we're all like seeking jobs and just doing the damn thing, and like I don't know, it just feels like bittersweet. I have friends of mine that like are still in college at my college and are in my cohort and are like in my major, and then I have some friends that are still in college that don't go to my school, and they're also just super excited, but also it's bittersweet and stuff. So it's just crazy. I am so blessed to have found some friends in school that I know will be like friends for a lifetime, and I'm just really blessed and happy for having friends like that. And I also have friends that got me through it, like my friends that are already out of college that really got me through it when we were all in it together. And yeah, I see them doing like really big things, and I'm really proud of them, and I'm just like super happy for my friends. I just think it's so crazy that we're all like, you know, doing college things, and like, you know, I don't know, like some of us have like big girl jobs, and some of us are just now starting off in college and stuff. I know some people who are just now starting, and it's crazy. But yeah, I am excited for the future. I'm scared for the future. My dog is gonna bark. For the future, I'm scared for the future. I'm just all over the place with the future. But anyways, this is the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener in the color Golden Ivory number 2. I use this under my eyes, and I think it really does brighten up your under eyes. I have a product from Milani that's pretty similar. I can't get this open. I have a product from Milani that's kind of similar. It's pink though. It's not like a skin color pink. It's like, or not pink. Yeah, pink. It's pink, and it's not like a skin tone. I like it a lot. It's a really great product, but I'm not gonna be using it today. I use this with this BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, kabuki brush. I need to wash my brushes, you guys. Like, it's disgusting that I haven't washed them in so long. Yeah, like, I wonder why I have acne. It's because I literally don't take care of my brushes, probably. Because, like, honestly, like, every time I have acne and stuff and I cover up my face, I think about it, and I'm like, I need to wash this brush after this, because like I'm transferring my acne, like, and that sounds really, really gross, but like, it's just true. Like, you need to wash your brushes. So let this be a sign for you, if you haven't washed your brushes in a while, to wash them, because it's honestly really important to wash your brushes for your skin. Anyways, I then go in with the True Match powder from L'Oreal. I use this powder all the time. My grandma uses it, and it just reminds me of her, and it makes me happy. I also just think it has really, really good coverage, and I really like that coverage that it gives, because I struggle with my acne and stuff, so I like to cover up my like dark spots and like my discoloration and all that stuff. And sometimes like my foundations or skin tints or whatever don't cover it fully, but this powder just helps like finish up and like do it for me. So yeah, and it never leaves my skin cakey. It always leaves my skin just like nice and matte, which I like, because again, I have super oily skin, and you guys know that if you've watched my videos. You have no idea, but it gets super oily, so I really like using products that are going to leave my skin matte and just, you know, help with that. This is disgusting, but this is my contour kit from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I either use this or I use the Sol bronzing face and body bronzing balm from Sol, and it looks like this. It's a bronzing balm, and it's really, really great. I like to use this more in the summer when I'm going for like a glowy look and like a light minimal makeup look, but for every day I like to just use powder contour. I actually hit pan on this, the first time I ever have hit pan on anything, honestly, and it's my contour. So yeah, and I'm gonna go really high up because that's what TikTok has taught me to do, and it just is really great. So go TikTok. But yeah, anyways, I'm almost done with school. I'm looking for jobs. I am traveling this summer. I'm not going to tell you guys too much about my travel plans just because I want it to be like a surprise, but I am traveling this summer. One of the trips I'm going to tell you guys about is Argentina, just because I'm going for my grandma's 90th birthday and I'm going back to Argentina. You guys know I'm from there. If you're new here, that's where I'm from. I speak fluent Spanish. I was born in Argentina. I lived there till I was 3, and yeah, so I wasn't like grown up there, or I didn't grow up there, I mean, but I definitely had my fair share of like moments going back and like, you know, visiting and all that stuff. So yeah, but anyways, we're going there, and I'm so excited to see my grandma and my family and my uncles and my aunts and just my family in general and my cousins. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, and it's gonna be a really good reunion because we're going for my grandma's 90th birthday, so we're gonna see everyone. So yeah, Milani Luminoso blush. I love this blush. I think it's so great. It's so affordable and inexpensive, and it's so pretty on the skin. It leaves it super glowy, and I love that. I love how glowy it makes my skin look, and just pretty. I don't know, it's just really, really pretty. So I use this, and then I use it on my nose too, and I literally love this product, you guys. Like, it's so pretty. But yeah, so those are my travel plans, other than like the other travel plan that I have that I'm not going to tell you guys about. But yeah, I'm excited. It can't come any sooner. I'm literally going like speedy fast after graduation, and I'm going to be there, and I'm going to have so much fun, and it's going to be great. So yeah. Oh my god, my dogs are like barking, but like really quietly, and I thought there was someone in my house. Like, that's scary. I'm using my jouer highlighter. This is the all over face and body highlighter in the color Molten Glow. I love this highlighter. I think it just creates like a great glow to your skin, and I just always use it because it's like the only highlighter that I really like. Oh, I have a little pimple. Great. So I use it in my inner corner too, and like I just add some brightness to my eyes and like just do that. Next, I use mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It's the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. It's the best mascara on earth, and I think it's just worth getting your coin out of, because it's just so great and I love it. So yeah, but anyways, what other updates can I give you guys? I had a presentation the other day for class with Zainab, which you guys know and love from my vlogs. It went really well. I'm really proud of us because we were like so scared to do it and like didn't know if we had done it right. But apparently we did it okay because our professor had good feedback for us and like all that stuff. So I am really proud of us and really happy for us. I don't know where that voice came from, but yeah. You're really cute. And like also, I feel like school is getting to that point where it's like all the major stuff is going on, and like finals and like all that stuff is coming up, like literally 6 weeks, and then I'm on a stage walking down and like accepting my diploma, or the case for my diploma. So that's like really crazy and nuts. But that's what's going on. And then I have the Kush Clear Brow Gel from Milk Makeup. I use this all the time now, just because I get so much makeup in my brows that it takes away from the color of my brows naturally, and it also tames them and helps them stay put. But I mainly use it to get like stuff out of my brows because I get foundation in them and I hate like it taking away from my brow. So yeah, that's my brow. And then for lips, I'm gonna use a Fenty gloss bomb today. I'm gonna use this color called Champ Stamp Fantasy, and it's a mini, but I'm sure they sell it like full on in the big size. Ooh, I actually really like that color. It's so pretty. Oh, it's like a really good everyday color. I have never used this before, so like that's really pretty. I have the Choco Lit one in like a chocolatey colored brown color. So pretty. I made a TikTok about it. So pretty. Anyways, I hope you guys like the makeup look, because this is the makeup look that I use or do basically every day that I do my makeup. And I don't do my makeup every day. I literally rarely do my makeup now. But when I do my makeup, it's this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow me on Sophie Style Blog, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm building a new Instagram. ss.alonso is still public, so if you still follow it or you enjoy my content on there, I put a lot of stuff on there, but I have been posting a lot more on Sophie Style Blog about fashion and beauty and lifestyle and stuff. So if you guys want to follow that Instagram, then do so. And then TikTok is Sophie Style Blog as well, and I've been doing a lot of videos on there, like a lot. So definitely go check out Sophie Style Vlog TikTok and Instagram. And check out my other videos. My last video is my jewelry collection, I believe, and a lot of people enjoyed that one, so definitely go check it out if you haven't already. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, week, year, life, month, and like just really love your life because you only get one. So anyways, I love you guys, and let me put my hair down. Okay, my hair's getting like really long. Anyways, I love you guys. Bye guys.